Hi everyone, Zoe here with Telycam. Today we're diving into how to set up two board areas on the Telycam PTZ camera. First, turn on auto tracking so the camera locks onto me. Now I'm standing in the first board area. Click to confirm board position 1 and enable the board function. At this point, if I move around within the board area, the camera will not follow me, allowing the audience to clearly see the content on the whiteboard. And when I step out, the camera resumes tracking. If your stage or podium is larger and you need to set up two board areas, no problem. Just walk into the second area, click to confirm board position 2, and you're all set. Here's another cool way to use this feature. After setting up the board areas, turn off auto tracking. Click the arrow button next to the board area, then you can switch between the two areas, kind of like calling presets. If it's a class or a training session, you can switch between the teacher and the slides. And if it's an interview, you can switch between the two speakers. Super convenient. This feature is perfect for large stages or podiums. By setting up two board areas in advance, the camera tracks precisely when it should and stays locked when needed, greatly enhancing the audience experience and making things easier for the production team. Whether it's for classes, training sessions, press conferences, or program production, this feature is a game changer. If you have the camera in hand, give it a try right away. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one!